Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best stockbroker in Sweden. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this investment broker called DEGIRO. DEGIRO is a top-notch investment broker that you can buy stocks with in Sweden, and let me explain why. I made the best investment brokers in your video, in which I was comparing eToro, Trading 212, Interactive Brokers and others. And now we're going to explain to you why in Sweden the DEGIRO is best. You just click on the link down below the description, and then you just scroll down on the site and click here on Sweden. Now you go to top right and you can simply create an account. It's really easy. And when you're gonna have it, let me explain you why is that. DEGIRO is a top notch. They don't have any account fee, any inactivity fee, any deposit fee or withdrawal fee. eToro got withdrawal fee. eToro got one of the highest conversion fee. Interactive Brokers got $20 in activity fee out of commission every single month. Then another thing is that Trading 212 got debit card fee that if you want to charge with debit, you're gonna pay 0.7 fee. And so DEGIRO is a top notch. When you would come here to the fees, let me explain. You get 0.7 out of stocks and ETF commission of $2,000 trade. Even if you want to invest in long term ETFs that can be traded for free once a month, you're gonna see that some ETFs are for free once a month, and that's really great that you can do. When you come here to markets and products, you can see they don't offer Forex and CFD, but they have everything else that you need for trading. So these are the two things. And customer support is great. The way how you can buy stocks, best broker for stock trading, best discount broker, best online broker and everything. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, broker choice is top notch. Even by broker choosers, it's the best broker for stock trading and best discount broker, and there is nothing to talk about. So yeah.